Oh, so cute. Oh, that's so pretty already. Go, 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 green, go, green. A bucket of coffee. I don't think the kids are gonna go out to trick or treat. Who's driving this bus? Oh, see, she said hello. Okay. See ya. I did take some Jello shots, take some of the edge off on the internet that keeps scaring me. Why can't people just be nice? Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking today's video, and commenting anything down below. If you're not new here, welcome back, girl. Today is Saturday. We're going to the pumpkin patch right now. We're on our way. It's gonna take us 43 minutes. Thank you, babe. It's gonna take us 43 minutes. We just left the house. We're gonna put gas in my car over here at the 76. Chrissy's grabbing some snacks so that the kids can be occupied and content until we get there. You guys are gonna follow along with us today to the pumpkin patch. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing some black leggings, a white long sleeve, my flannel, and then my clogs of our outfits. When we get there, Chris is gonna come back with all the things, and then we'll see you guys at the pumpkin patch. Hey, this is the OOTD.
They're better not.
Down. You can put them down and
My
then
leggings, my white shirt, flannel, and then my clogs. Wow.
I see you're wearing your
Yeah, with your ugly socks. Because I had no other socks. Let me see your outfit, Lee. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's on my phone, babe. Did you grab the keys? Yes, right?
Yeah.
That's true.
Good time to have a cowboy hat and cowboy boots.
Yeah.
Get a wristband.
There you go.
Thank you.
Go on.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, so cute.
Have fun.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. My foot is numb. It's a
Okay.
slide.
Yeah. Look over there. They got the rock climbing,
Yeah.
the zip lining. Oh. Look at cheese. Tita, look at me. Look at mommy.
Mom, what's the name? What's the name? Mommy. Please. Mommy.
There he goes.
There she goes.
There she goes.
What? No.
Cranky combat. So, just
Stay with my
let you know.
Day. Come on. Don't worry.
Except for that one.
Here, you can sit over here on this side. You're gonna sit down, okay? You cannot stand.
Little sunflowers.
How?
Video. Yeah.
Whack your 500. Go back your 500.
Pig?
Pig. Yeah.
Yeah. What are these?
Flowers. So pretty. Yeah. Yes. So we rode the tractor and checked out everything that they got. And now we're gonna go walk because we came back to the main spot we were at. We're gonna take the car seat or the stroller and we're gonna go check the moo cow. You wanna go take a picture first? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Good job. To the moo cow. Let's go, Bubba's. Then are you gonna pick sunflowers too? Okay. Ooh, you could pick sunflowers too. Okay. So cute. Yes, come grab it, baby. This one. The bee even likes it. See? Come on, it's okay. It's the small baby bees. That's so cute. Oh, look at those pink ones too, and the purple ones.
Come over here, Leah.
Just make sure it's long enough. Yeah, that one's a pretty one. Grab it. There you go. Beautiful.
As much as you want.
Yes, as much as you want.
Maybe so be lighter to carry.
It's not that bad. Pretty, Mama, you did it. Go pick one.
Go choose a flower. And brother or sister will.
Oh, that's so pretty already. Hi, Bee.
I'm cute.
Oh, you're so cute.
I'll get this one.
Okay, can you get it?
Should have made it longer, boy.
Okay, can Boboy have this one? Have the scissors so he can cut this one?
Thank you.
Whoa, girl, how are you gonna get that one in here?
Hold
Give me it. Give me it. Yeah,
Hold
give
it.
me it.
I got this one. I want to have that.
You can put it right here in your pocket.
I don't have a pocket.
Yes, you do.
Where?
Right here. Look.
Oh, why? I go down.
That's so pretty. It didn't even bloom the seeds yet. Look at
Here,
that.
booger. I want to get another one.
So pretty.
I want to get another one.
Okay, go ahead.
But I
Wow, beautiful. It's okay. That means they're good ones.
All right, we're almost out of space.
Cheese, so beautiful.
This is my impression of Tita and her stuff.
Go take a picture.
I want to take a wine.
Cheese, look at mommy. Look at mommy. I got you. Ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. So beautiful.
I bet $10 on number orange. I bet $10 on orange.
Hi, ducks. Quack, quack. Quack. Yeah, hold on.
I think they're trying to do race.
Hi, dog.
I want to see the race.
Hi, ducks. Hi, ducks.
They're doing it really quietly. You see how they're all
They're ready.
No, I don't. We don't have.
She's a runner. She's a runner.
I want to feed them.
That's a peacock.
I don't like that style.
Say,
I don't like that style. I don't like that.
again.
Go, go. I don't like that animal style.
A peacock. That would be cool for roosters, huh? Oh yes, there's a rooster over there. Go look at him.
Let's walk the rest around because I think there was a couple of them.
One pet? One pet? Come. Look. Look, Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Hi, donkey. Hi, donkey. Come. Hi, pretty. Oh, you're so beautiful. So cute. So cute, honey. Sorry, I don't have any ice cream cones.
Dude, he's big.
Right here. She's looking at the peacocks. Ready, set, go! Go, Tita, go! Pull it. Hey, Dad, let them win. Go, girls against boys. Go, Papa, go. Go, Papa, go. Go, 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 go. Look at Dede in the back. Aw, my. Dede. Go, my honey. You could do it. Go.
Why do those look like dinosaurs? I don't know what the yo-yo was this. With this.
Oh, when I pretend you're on a mountain, use your imagination. Go, my honey. Use the rope. Use the rope. Pull the rope. Pull the rope.
Soldier, use the rope.
Whoa, so cool. Yeah, you made it to the top of the mountain. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey. I wanna go.
Yeah, look, they got rock climbing. They got the bounce house.
Where's the rock climbing?
There's right here. Come on, Mama, you got it. Tita, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
What time is it? I want to watch the Ducks race. 3:30.
The Duck 500. Quack 500. Quacker 500 is starting.
Come on, we can't hold it.
That's what they are.
Baby cow.
Oh, see, she said hello. She said hello, guys. Look at the fat pig over there.
Can I pet him?
Yeah, just gentle. Gentle.
I'm fine.
You're fine? You don't want to pet him? Her? I don't know.
I pet him.
They, them?
I'm not scared anymore.
Okay, never mind. She said, look, egg. Oh. Look at the fat pig over there.
What, did it let it pet you?
Yeah.
Or did you guys let it pet
Yeah. Who's this one over here? The chickens. Hello, ladies.
Hello. Yeah, sheepy.
Sheepy.
Yeah, sheepy. Is that a sheep?
I think they're llamas or alpacas. I don't know.
They're llamas.
They're llamas. Okay, if you say so. Okay, you guys want to go check the duck race?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Tito, don't play. But he did.
Go, 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 green, go, green.
Mommy, that's for Mommy McQueen.
Say hi. Wave to them.
Hi.
What kind of?
That's your sister. Put it on the ground.
Ready?
Tito, come here. Follow your sister, boy.
Look at it. Come closer, please.
I don't want to.
Oi. Everybody, please come. Stay with mommy. Come. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Cheese. Thank you, Dad.
Goodbye. Thank you, Dad. Can I see Mommy? Why? Can I see?
Guys,
Can I see
hold the kettle corn.
Okay, as fast as I can. There's some tree
Sit. Okay. Set.
Go!
Set. Go.
Hey, hold on.
Good job. Good job. You did it.
Go, you try one more time. Go. Hold on tight, boy. He's holding on tight.
Good job. Don't let go until it stops.
That was unbelievable.
Good job. You're awesome.
I want to go. I want to go.
All the way, baby.
I want to go, mommy. I want to go. I want to go, mommy.
Wow, look at that, honey baby. You see the choo-choo train? What the heck is that?
It's a funnel cake.
It's not a funnel cake.
It's cake. Cake on a funnel.
What? Where'd you go on that? The train. Yeah? She's right there. Okay, look. Look. Cheese! Look, look, look. Look at me. Okay, boys. Cheese. Hold the baby.
I don't have to wait. I need like bad. I ran out of donuts. Here, boy.
So good.
It's so good.
Okay, guys, it's currently 5:29, and we are now leaving the pumpkin patch. We're gonna go eat some dinner. Did you guys have fun? Yeah. You guys enjoyed it? Yep. Okay, that's good. We enjoyed our time. We saw a lot of things. The kids did a lot, or as much as they could. It was a fun-filled day. I got a bucket of coffee. I'm the driver, so I deserve it.
For 1 hour.
Yep.
What it felt like 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck you. We're gonna get wired.
Yeah, because it's espresso.
Yeah.
And knowing they probably put 2 because it's a bucket.
Yeah.
We have
They
an
did.
internet. No.
Okay.
No. Then you're not going to get your iPad.
Because quite literally.
Does it taste like puppy?
Oh, does it taste like a dog?
No. Okay, guys. We ended up stopping at McDonald's because we're gonna grab some dinner, and it was on our way home. This little one here was screaming his head off, not even 30 minutes into the drive. He really wants to just be out of the car seat. So this is what we're doing, just letting him be free for a little bit, waiting for them to get the food. Yeah, after this we're going straight home. I'm making crisscross fries, and I'm gonna warm me up my burger. So I'm gonna eat like a protein style burger. So yeah, guys, so I made me crisscross fries, like I said, and then a protein style burger, and then I just put like onions, tomato, Kewpie mayo, ketchup, and then I just heated up the burger and a slice of cheese in the air fryer, and then I did these fries in the air fryer as well, and then I just wrapped it in lettuce. So hopefully this will hold me over until we have to do dinner. I'm gonna eat. My battery is very low, so I'm gonna put it on the charger, and then I'll check you guys back later. We're gonna go get the kids in another hour or 2. So yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, I just left. Oh yeah, I'll do your internet. Okay, hold on. I just left the house because it is pouring rain outside. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm just driving, that's why. But it is pouring rain, and I'm going to go and pick up the kids from school. And this is just how the weather is looking. I mean, I love it. I love it. It's cold, gloomy. This is like my type of weather. But at the same time, I don't like it because the kids start getting their seasonal allergies and they start coughing and sneezing and runny noses and all that. It is currently 2:11 and this is how outside is looking. It's raining. It is raining. I hope that it's not raining as bad as it is right now on Friday, on Halloween, because then I don't think the kids are gonna go out to trick-or-treat. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. Today is Tuesday and Lily is here. We're gonna go pick up Damien and my friend's son from school. And it's such a gloomy day. It was a gloomy day yesterday, rainy day, and so it's the same thing today. It's gonna be the same thing this whole week. I love this weather, but it does also make me so tired. I was transferring my files into my computer, and I don't know what I did or what had happened to the file when I transferred it, but there's like maybe 3 or 4 files from the pumpkin patch that got corrupted when I was trying to view it. It didn't want to go through, and I know those clips were like one about our shark attack drink that the kids got, or that Chris got the kids. I think one of the clips from when the kids were coming down the slide got corrupted, and then I don't know what the other 2 clips are, but it just sucks because I was reviewing all of the clips that we had vlogged. When I was reviewing all of the, what's it called, all of the clips that we had taken from Saturday, it kind of looked boring. So hopefully you guys are entertained and you guys like the whole clips, all of the clips from Saturday when we went to the pumpkin patch. Sunday we didn't do anything. Monday the kids went to school and it started the week off as a gloomy rainy day, and so yeah. And today's Tuesday, so we really are like not doing anything. I think we have nothing planned this week except for Halloween on Friday. We'll close out the week and then we could start November 1st on Saturday, on the weekend. This is what we always have to do in the school pickup line. Take him out of the car seat because he's gonna scream up a storm back there, and let him just play in the front. And we're parked, don't worry, okay? The brake is on, it's on park. We're not moving anywhere, nobody's moving. Who's driving this bus? Koa is. Koa's driving this bus. I watch your head, you crazy. Watch your head. Oh, what was that? What was that? Go, you race car driver, Go. Oh. Good burp. Hey, you make me a good day. It says 350, right?
350 or 325. Downstairs. Oh my god, they look so good right here. Ready? Why do I want it knit but don't at the same time?
Tita, did you get one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Both ways, remember?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just let him sit.
Girl, come on. I did.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Over there. Across the street.
Wait, that's a. Here.
I see you.
Oh, it's cold.
Yay, okay, let's go.
Oh.
Let's go. Aw, who's that?
Tita, look.
Mommy must say hi.
Oh yeah, did you say hi back?
Get two for your sister, Lily. Give me that, hold it. You gonna open it?
Come on. Okay, let's go.
I'm fine, Mom.
You're funny?
Yeah.
You are.
Hey. I got this guy.
Oh, okay.
I'm here, Mommy.
Ooh.
Got this. I got that.
With the chicken.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. I see Mario.
Ooh, yummy.
Mommy, it's Mario.
Come on, girl. This way.
Can I get
Bye bye. I'm going. See ya. I'm going. Bye. Good job. Say, guys, I partied so hard last night. How do we dance? How do we dance?
now?
Hey guys, good morning. I am coming onto the vlog to end it out, but I just want to talk about last night. We had Halloween. We went out just around our loop because the kids are not feeling good. You'll hear them coughing and sniffling and all that. I had the kids trick-or-treat. It was kind of like not as good as it was last year, at least when we were in Colorado. It was so much more fun, and everybody last year in Fort Carson was like more festive. We had fun last night. I did take some Jello shots. I didn't get to show you guys because I was just like TMI, but I started my monthly. So we're on like day 3, but it's still pretty, it's still there. It's still there. She's still making herself known. I'm just waiting for day 5 and 6 to
Hi. Hello. Come on.
your hair looks crazy. What did you do last night?
No,
Where did you go yesterday?
Die.
Did you go Halloween trick or treat?
Mommy.
Did you go Halloween trick or treat? Huh?
I died.
Yes or no? Did you get lots of candy?
No.
No. Oh my goodness. The kids got a lot of candy. I had to go through it today. Really like look at the candy before giving them because there's just been a lot of things on the internet that keep scaring me. And I'm like, damn, why can't people just be nice? Like, why do they have to do certain things. I did take some jello shots, like I said. Just a couple, Kate, just a couple to take some of the edge off. We ended up coming home around like 7, 8, I think. I'm not too sure, I forgot the time. And we ate some dinner. We had pizza. I had a Subway from earlier. Chris went to go and grab some food before we went trick-or-treating because we were all hangry. And yeah, when we finished Twilight Breaking Dawn, because me and my husband have just been watching the Twilight series for the past couple days. So we finally finished it last night. And then I watched a little bit of the Kardashians season 5 episodes because I haven't been watching. Then we all went upstairs and we all went to sleep. So today's a new day. Happy November 1st. Oh my god, I can't believe it's November. 1 month closer to Christmas. In the next vlog, I'm going to be doing a whole reset. I'm just going to use this whole week to reset, take down all the Halloween and fall decor, and start putting up our Christmas stuff. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the things, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Deuces.